Iba Arden bilar saya moit iba dari Prashant Rangbah jong kaseng VPP menta ka khat pratrik jong bniah ba ars ne marajar nriu ilong bangim kwa banong eiei halor ka reservation policy namar ba ka sarkar kelawan ra apo ing dorbar tingin sapule bniah bat sa cek bniah ia kane bat ngim la banong eiei amta namar ka reservation policy ka dei kijing singan ya kilong din giman din ki khun samla ki jongi ki ban dangwan shadin tengah kerpat pi iwe barang thumai kane channel jonga se ba subscribe ya kane ka channel
Our appreciation to the government for having decided after our agitation to review the reservation policy. So now the government has tabled it in the floor of the House. So as members of the party and the legislature also, we need some time to study whether the review was taking place as per the wish of the people and as per our wishes or not. So I will not give a very long statement on this issue. I can only tell you that if the review is acceptable, we are going to celebrate, and if the review is not acceptable, we are going to agitate. Simple.